Welcome to Hotel Marco Polo, a place where relaxation takes center stage, surrounded by peaceful spaces designed to restore both body and mind. The thermal pools are the true highlight of the experience. Filled with naturally warm, mineral-rich waters, they offer the perfect opportunity to slow down, unwind, and let everyday stress simply fade away. Whether indoors or outdoors, each pool creates a different atmosphere. Soft reflections on the water, rising steam, and a comforting warmth combine to create an environment of complete tranquility. Beyond the pools, the relaxation areas invite guests to embrace a slower rhythm. Quiet corners, comfortable loungers, and carefully designed spaces make it easy to disconnect from the outside world and focus entirely on well-being. Here, every moment is an invitation to pause, to breathe, to recharge. At Hotel Marco Polo, relaxation is not just part of the stay. It is the experience itself.
Che caldo. Grotta.